If you have red animal sign anywhere in your Buzzer Destiny chart, so this is some of the things that you have to look out for this year. First is the Grand Duke combo. The Grand Duke combo is one of the best networking styles. It helps you to connect with high-ranking people, influential people, and so make sure this year go out to connect with different group of people, perhaps a key opinion leader, digital marketing, expand your network, expand your contact, gain into the partnership, perhaps do something together. A lot of people nowadays, they do internet summit together, join group of speakers, and they start to promote their business, do something about sharing whatever they do in their expertise. So perhaps this is something that you may consider to help you to look out and branch out your experience as well, because this is one of the best start to boost your collaborations. If you have some projects that you've been wanting to do but you just felt that you are lacking of resources, well, this is one of the great start, as you are the red animal sign and the ox are the combination connections. So this denotes you have the ability or connection potential to tap into influential or higher ranking kind of people. Perhaps they can help you to solve your problems. So first of all, you must be willing to leverage on other people's. So this is one of the greatest obstacles. Some people just have the tendency wanted to do everything by themselves, wanted to solve every problem by themselves. So this is not the year for you, okay? This is the best year for you to start leveraging, tap onto the different network, try to expand and grow externally, okay? And next is the Jade Hawk. Jade Hawk is one of the most preferable wealth star, as is denote increase in value. So if you already have property or any asset, this is a great news for you as your value has increased. So if you have been doing some investment, this is definitely a great boost. But first you must have an asset, right? So make sure you have achieved or already purchased certain asset and the value has increased this year. So this is a great start for you. Okay, next is the Study Hall and Intelligence Star. Study Hall and Intelligence Star denotes is great boost in academic and studies pursuit. So this year, go out to learn something new, or perhaps you already a student. This year you have somehow your intelligence increased and somehow you felt that you can understand complex information and you're just able to decipher things faster and easier. So do activate this star to learn something new. And for those who already in business or a skilled worker, perhaps this is a year for you to level up, sharpen your skills, or perhaps add a brand new skill into your skill set. Okay, perhaps you can start something like a side gig to help you to gain additional knowledge and learn how to do business, because I believe this is one of the best way for you to learn how the business will work, how you're going to present yourself, sell yourself, go out and tap onto different group of people, and this is a great start to boost your overview. Okay, and next, of course, with all these great stars, there's always some inauspicious star following you. For example, like the sickness charm. Sickness charm denote that you are low on immunity, so do take note on your in terms of your diet, your health, basically this is also influence your speed of recovery. So try to avoid all these morgues, all these funeral cemeteries, or any unhygienic kind of places, like perhaps even the hospital, as much as possible. And this year is a great year for you to really get all your sickness, illness, the past health issue resolved this year, as you are blessed with the Tianyi Heavenly Doctor star as well. And of course, you have the next is the Surpassing Path. Well, Surpassing Path is a very unique star where it actually helps you to enhance your social status, but at the same time, when you are connecting with different ranking or perhaps different higher influential people, it may somehow make you feel unease, uncomfortable at first, but it's just a short-term kind of emotional thoughts. But don't let this get onto you, because this is just a small instability kind of change. What is a you may require some transition if you are not the kind of outgoing person who used to get connected with other people out there. So this is going to be slightly uncomfortable, but nevertheless is not really a big deal. Focus on the auspicious star. Okay, next is the lonesome star. Lonesome star is basically the feeling of loneliness. You felt that somehow not much people understand you. It's just hard for you to connect with other people, especially when it comes to, you know, talk on particular subject. But no worries, it's just an emotional issue. Best way is for you to go out to connect and, you know, just mingle around with different group of people and find the group that you felt is so relevant or so resonant with you, and, you know, just go out, do more networking. It's going to help you to discover more additional potential out there. Okay, so next is when you have the red animal sign in your year, then it will denote that people around you, your network, your peers, somehow there's a lot of collaborations and a lot of connections, and a lot of people just want to, hey, just join and do something together. Perhaps this is going to, you know, you were surrounded by people who wanted to just connect and do something together. And you may also surrounded by people who are just wanted to learn more, and this is also great if you are trying to upskill yourself and perhaps go out to find your nobleman, people who can help you, inspire you, teach you something. And especially nowadays it's so convenient through the world of internet, you know, just go out, join different community, learn something from there. Okay, next is if you found the red animal sign somewhere in your month. This is great start, you know, especially when it comes to your career, where the month star govern your career, business, the things that you do, your relationship with your superior. It's going to help you to gain additional boost. Perhaps there will be some partnership, collaboration between you and perhaps your superior, and you can, you know, increase the bonding between you, your colleague, your subordinates, people around you, and you can learn something new to upskill yourself and try to perhaps learn how to run the entire businesses that in the company you're working with. Or perhaps if you are a business owner, perhaps you can consider, you know, learn something to, you know, level up, optimize in terms of your business performance, internal workflow, and so far and so forth. Okay, this is a great year for you to learn and upskill, connect, and grow. And lastly is the Jade Horse star. Also denote you may get some, you know, a little bit promotions, monetary gain, your level, your contribution, the things that you do in your career, in your business. Somehow the people start to value it. So make sure you are able to properly position yourself, express yourself, how to tell the story of what you have done, what is your contribution, and most of all, able to enhance you the way you go out. Be more extrovert this year. Don't just, you know, stay in your own cubicle. You really have to go out, otherwise you will activate the lonesome star and, you know, you'll be walking a lonely path. And if you found the red animal sign in your day pillar, this denotes the relationship, or your, if you are single, you may, you know, it may denote just you yourself. And if you are single, perhaps you may connect with someone new. Or if you are married or already in a relationship, you may feel somehow you will feel you don't understand your spouse or your partner, because you overanalyze everything and you have the tendency of suspecting, or, you know, your suspicious just increase. So have an open communication this year. Don't just think everything on your own. Just have to reconnect. Remember, with the Grand Duke combo star, it's all about connection, creating brand new moments. If you need help in terms of communication or bring your message, or you know, to your partner, find someone who can help you to, you know, reconnect again in terms of getting your communication truth, and make sure everything have clear thoughts. And otherwise, if another thing is that since as the red is have a Grand Duke combo star, it may also denote there are potential of, you know, the interference of a third party. So beware of all this kind of temptation. So yeah, do check it out, do take note about this. And yes, and lastly, if you found the red animal sign appears in your hour, well, congratulations. This is going to talk more about your children, your investments, your ideas, or your thoughts. Let's start with your children. So this year you have more chance to connect with your children or your subordinates. You have a better idea. Perhaps you can come up with something new to do together, and perhaps this is going to help you to increase the bonding as well. And especially when it comes to investment, with the Jade Horse star, it would denote there are increased value in terms of your investment. So make sure you really observe and check out and really observe the growth of your asset, your investment portfolio. Make sure everything's really have the potential and be more alert in terms of this. Okay, so if you don't activate all these auspicious stars, it may actually draw you to easily activate the negative stars, such as the surpassing path and the lonesome star. So which is especially for those who are are more introvert, this may not be a good news for them. Okay, these are some of the things that I will put it into more practical action for people like you, because I realize a lot of people just keep holding on all this annual astrology reading, and you try to grab all this information, but you don't really put it into actions. So here I have simplified some of the way to present in more actionable thoughts. So first of all, is the boost, is you have the Emperor's Alliance, means you have the ability to tap or connect into influential or high-ranking people. So make sure you go out, do more networking and collaborations, offer yourself, and start learn how to give first and blend in and able to present what you do, who you are, and how you can contribute, and how you can make things better in any different way. Okay, next is the increase of intelligence and gain new skill slots. Of course, these two denotes the study hall and intelligence star. Learn something new, learn how to reconnect with your spouse, learn how to upgrade your skill set, add on new skill set, add on anything that you wanted to learn, or just figure out or find some courses you wanted to study. At least just chart out and write down what are the 3 courses, what are 3 things that you wish you have known. Perhaps study how to do investment. It's going to be help you to increase your skill set and be more value added to your personal growth. And the 4-level X speed boost is basically with the intelligence star. Actually, it will boost your understanding and how you can if you are the kind of person who love how to analyze, it will boost the way you analyze things and how to come up with certain pattern easier or faster. So do take note and how to activate this great star. Next is the threats. Threats is all about what are the potential things that's stopping you. For example, like the easy target. Easy target denotes that especially when you're kind of you are quite introvert, you don't want to connect, and if you don't want to go out, people may come to to drag you out, and it may make you feel uncomfortable, especially you are kind of a solo lane hunter where you love to do everything by yourself. You don't want to collaborate with other people, don't want to allow helps to come in. This is going to make you feel more uncomfortable. Okay, targeted on hunters list. Well, basically, if people will somehow see you knowledgeable and forces you or perhaps ask you out to help them out, so you may be on their target list. And if you feel unease, these are just emotional wise, but it could actually hold you back and stop you from progressing forward. So I would highly recommend you to be outgoing this year, and make sure you don't allow all this negativity comes to you. And lastly is the instability with the surpassing star, and it's going to make you feel everything just so suddenly and unease, and everything seems to be alienated to you. The environment felt so new. Perhaps you may have being sent to other branches to reconnect with other people, and somehow that kind of job scope make you feel unease, instability. It makes you fluctuate somehow. Well, it's just emotional. Don't pay too much attention, don't feed too much energy on this, but just be aware This is something that can, slow down your progress. Next is your weakness. Your weakness, as I mentioned, your immunity has been reduced, so do pay attention on this. Find a way to rejuvenate or perhaps detoxifications, and take more proper, healthier diet, and take note on your consumption, and especially when it comes to stomach, bladder, blood, water related like kidney, and these are some of the things that you have, some of the organs that you have to really pay attention to as well. And vitality and defense, this is basically when your immunity is down, your whole body just doesn't connect and doesn't work together, and this will also affect your networking capability. Imagine you were like a zombie, you're just tired and sick like nobody's business, you just go out. I don't think people would like to connect with you in the first place, especially during such a pandemic time right now, right? So take note on this. And if for those who are married or in a relationship, please do take note of the third party. If you are, your mind just swaying away and you just can't, control your temptations, then it's going to really cause you some trouble. So hopefully you can be extra take note on this part. And lastly, the overall summary. What are the things you need to do, like gain new connections, widen your network, collaborations, expand your reach, especially for those who are running business. Perhaps this year is to go out to tap to different marketplace, joint venture, connect to other people who can help you to sell your products, and gain ability to understand complexity, of course, studies, learn new skills, knowledge, improve your life, career, business. These are help you to learn something in terms of for your personal growth. Okay, this is something that help you to reconnect you yourself from where you have been started out and where you are right now and where are you heading forwards. So really have to take some time to revisit your journey, reflect, and really rediscover. This is going to help you to have a better understanding and clear goal and how to move yourself forward. And beware of temptations, strengthen your health and immunity. So these are some of the summary. I highly recommend you to be aware and don't just read and collect all this information. Best is to really write down what are the things you need to do this year. Grab yourself a personal journal and remind yourself from time to time, reflect what are the things, what is the next game, how to level up yourself, and of course take advantage of leverage this year. Be in collaboration with other people, partnership, alliance, and do reach out to other people's help as well if needed. Okay, so that's all for the red animal sign. If you want to learn more, I will be sharing more stuff like this and more other animal sign. And meanwhile, do check out my website at renerchi.com, as I have updated a lot of stuff with all the 12 animal sign forecasts in a text format. So if you want to learn more, if you want to just skip straight to the things you wanted to read, just go to my blog, go to my website, check it out, the content is there. And so yeah, that's all. If you wanted to learn more stuff like how to use astrology or this Chinese metaphysics, do like this, subscribe to this channel, like my Facebook page, and follow me on my Instagram, because I will be releasing all these tips helping you how to use metaphysics and all this astrology energy to gain additional boost to help you to live a better life ahead. Okay, that's all from me, and do check out the contents below. I have posted a lot of stuff below, so do check it out, and see you next time. Bye bye.